Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Apply a cold compress directly to the bruise for 10-20 minutes, then remove for 20 minutes, repeating hourly for the first day. Cooling narrows blood vessels, which limits further bleeding under the skin. Once done, elevate the injured area above your heart when practical to reduce blood pooling and swelling. Make sure to protect skin with a thin cloth. You want cooling, not frostbite. Don't massage or apply heat yet, because that can increase bleeding and worsen the bruise. After the initial cold phase, you switch to gentle compression and careful pain control. Wrap the area with a soft bandage to provide support and limit swelling, making sure you can still wiggle fingers or toes so circulation stays intact. You may take acetaminophen for pain. Avoid aspirin or NSAID if the injury could still be actively bleeding because they thin blood and can enlarge the bruise. Once done, continue to monitor size and sensation. Seek care if numbness, rapid expansion, or severe pain develops. Once you hit about 48 hours, you can start warm compresses for 10-15 minutes to boost local circulation and speed reabsorption of pooled blood. Make sure to transition gradually from cold to warmth so you don't reopen vessels. You can add topical arnica or vitamin K cream to support healing, but stop if your skin reacts. Finally, if the bruise worsens, forms a large firm lump, persists beyond 2 weeks, or you develop fever or severe pain, contact a clinician. This troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.